I'm Nicola Roke. I'm Managing Director of Danton HR Training. We're based in Worcestershire, but we provide support to businesses across the UK. We've got two separate arms to the business. We've got the HR consultancy, where we predominantly work with small to medium-sized businesses who don't have their own in-house HR teams. And then the second arm to the business is management training, where we deliver any kind of management training within any size business. Kind of our strapline is with people Danton helps. What we like to do is support businesses through any change very methodically in a very measured way to get to the outcomes that they want. So we've been operating for a few years now, and we've kind of gathered a pace in the kind of more recent years. There's about 10, 11 of us within the team now across both the HR and the management training side. We started using spreadsheets, which is often the case with growing businesses. We then moved on to Trello, which helped us to a point, but very quickly we found both internally within the team and also providing support to the clients from a communication perspective, from tracking multiple projects at the same time. We outgrew Trello. We actually found that Zoho was the solution that we were looking for. I looked at Monday, I looked at Microsoft solutions as well. We were looking for an integrated solution that helped on the client, the CRM side, the project management side, time tracking. We had a different time tracking tool to the Trello app that we were using at the time, so it just felt right to try and bring everything together, and that was when then we moved to Zoho. We're still not quite there, we're still using other systems, and it's our plan to then kind of bring those to an end and then actually have Zoho across all of our kind of internal systems. But at the moment, we're not quite there on that yet. We decided upon Zoho One rather than going for individual different modules of the system. It means that we can just, the system is very accessible. We can switch between the different modules very, very easily. It means that everything is captured in the same place. Where we are still using other solutions, we can still link and we can still access those systems okay. It's much easier to work with the one system. We have an annualized subscription model where we flex our users. It works really well for us as well. Where we take on extra people, we can subscribe partway through the year. And we also, our model operates on an employed team, and also we operate with associates as well. And that means that when we bring associates on, we can get them onto the system very, very quickly, very user-friendly and easy to understand. And then, as we ebb and flow with the associates, then that works with us as well. And, going to that kind of trusted provider where actually from an data integrity perspective, we've got full confidence in it, was absolutely brilliant. In terms of the associate consultants that work as part of our business, it does mean that we can restrict to the clients that they work with, and that also means from the client's perspective, for the clients that they're not working with, it means that actually the data is being held with integrity as well and security. Of the kind of 40 or 50 various different options that there are, we went for the CRM, we went for the project management tool, we're keeping a BDI on books and people, which we're not quite ready to go to yet, but that's kind of coming down the line. But very much the project management side that already is saving us hours and hours of time and is making us really efficient with our clients. We have Zoho Sign, so all of our engagement letters and all of our contracts are held now within Zoho Sign. We were using DocuSign before, which again is yet another separate system that only limited people had access to. So where the consultants need to check on contract terms, it's really quick to access the information. We use projects every minute of the day. We have hundreds of projects set up within the system, and we have generally 2 or 3 projects per client of ours, depending on whether they're HR clients or they're training clients. We don't have a separate case management system. Actually, all of our cases are handled within the project management system as well. So that's the client-facing side. And then where we've got internal projects going on as well, we also have other projects that we use for our internal operating, for our internal projects too. The time tracker is was game changing for us. So when we moved to Zoho, we had a separate system that tracked our time as against the project tracker, and that felt a little bit clunky sometimes. But having the ability to track time against each of our tasks within the different projects is brilliant. It also means full visibility for our clients. If we are tracking time and charging billable hours, then we've got full visibility through our invoicing process, or if we are charging based on projects, then it just gives us visibility around how profitable and the margins within our within our work as well. CRM is hugely important to us, and we've actually split the CRM, so we use both CRMs. We use Bigin and we use the CRM model, and that just works for our business. So before we convert leads, they sit within Bigin, and then once they're converted, we then move them into the CRM. It works for us. So within our existing client base, we've got deals. So anything outside of our current kind of contracts with our clients, any opportunities where we can add more value, we will include that information in the CRM. So we can see from a pipeline perspective what's coming down the line with our existing clients. And then for our leads, we've also, through Bigin, we've got our pipelines there where we can see whether they're going to be HR clients, whether they're likely to be training clients, or a combination of both. When it comes to our leads, and we are then converting them into clients and we're moving them into the CRM, we have got automated workflows. So from a customer onboarding side, it's very, very seamless. It's a seamless feel for our clients, and it's a seamless feel for our consultants as well. It means that we can get our onboarding done very, very quickly. Quite often, particularly our HR clients that come through, they need help very quickly. So the onboarding side is very efficient, it's very slick, and then it means that we can start adding value and we can start working with them really, really quickly. Almost within an hour of a client kind of, pressing the button to go, we've got Raya in the background, our business support manager, who is quickly getting those clients onboarded, quickly getting engagement letters sent out, contracts signed, terms of engagement kind of sorted. It means within a few minutes, our consultants, they've got access to the information and they can start working straight away with the new clients. It also gives full visibility. It's easy to see client information, it's easy to have contact information, and we can just start in adding value very, very quickly. Before, that was in spreadsheets, that was in WhatsApp messages, that was in emails, that was in where's somebody's phone number, that was, who are the key people that we need to be talking to. It also means that from making sure that our clients have got they've got information around, for example, employment law changes that are coming through. It means that we can send out quick emails to our clients as well. We can make sure that information is shared quickly, both internally and across our clients. Lots of future plans. Books we're planning on moving to at some point, because invoicing at the moment, again with Raya, our business support manager, that is all very seamless. We create kind of, the estimates in the invoicing, and that's all tracked very clearly and easily, but I know that there's a better way of integrating that as well. So going to Zoho Books is something for the future. And then the HR management system is something that we're looking at moving to as well. Definitely kind of within the professional services industries, within HR and training, definitely recommend Zoho One, given that it cuts across so many different elements of the kind of the operation of our business that just works seamlessly across all the different modules.